Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you what steps to follow, what to do if your laptop's touch pad is not working. Okay, right now I'm using the external mouse for doing all the work. So what to do next is go to the search bar and type touchpad settings. Okay, and then you have to make sure that this touchpad should be turned on, and for safe side I'm going to reset this as well. Okay, just reset it so it is turned on. So now next what you need to do, you need to go to the search bar and you will type device manager. The reason I'm going into device manager because I want to update the driver. If the driver is not updated or if it is not installed properly, I need to update it. At some stage I can also uninstall it and then install it again. Okay, but as of now I'll just update the driver. Okay, where to go to the human interface devices, this one, touch screen, no, touchpad, right click and update. Okay, you can also uninstall the device, but I'm not going to do it. I will just update the driver. Okay, it is already installed, it is already updated, no need to further update. I will click close. The second thing I can do is just go over here and just update these two drivers as well. Update driver. Okay, already installed, already update, just do it. Okay, now we have updated our drivers. The second step, the last step that you can do is just restart your system. Okay, so I will go in the Windows section and I will click restart. Okay, I will see you after the restart. So I have restarted my system. I hope the issue has resolved now. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.